Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove and insert your battery in your Holy Stone HS440 drone. If you go to the back of the drone, this is the front where the camera is. On the back of the drone, you're going to notice you've got this battery compartment and a battery already set in there when you purchase it. But there's a little protective thing here that keeps the battery from making contact with these contacts. All right, so we're going to go ahead and pull it out first, and before you can do anything, you've got to slide this off of here. So this is a protective device, so when they send it to you, it's not making contact, so it's not delivering electricity to the drone itself. Once you've done that and you've charged the battery, you can go ahead and insert the battery into the drone. So if you look, the battery has the contacts on the bottom. The drone has the contacts here on the bottom. So you want to insert it in this direction. They give you a tip here. It says, make sure battery latch is at the top. You'll hear a clicking sound. So here's the latch. That's the top. This is the bottom. And when you push it, you're going to hear it snap. Bam. Now here's the thing. To get it off, you can see it's in there. I've got to pull this down, and I kind of got to get my thumbnail in there to pull it. All right, like that. You see right here, there's a little dip. So you can, let me shut it again. You can get your thumb in there like that, and then you can pull on it, and it just pops out. And that's how you get the battery out when you're ready to charge it again. If you're ready to go ahead and go, you stick it in, and snap. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Now when you do that, be careful not to put your finger on here. If you want to use your thumb on this, you can do it on this side. But be careful, don't smash your camera. All right, so when you're snapping it in, again, let me show you one more time. Thumb under here, see that? Thumb there, pull that down, and it pops out. When you push it in, be careful, don't shove your thumb on this camera. You can put your thumb here to get a little bit of pressure and then snap it. And that's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.